Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Guess what? I have an advent calendar today. It is the Body Shop Make It Real advent calendar, so let's get in here and check it out. I am so glad to finally be doing advent calendars. So this is the Body Shop one and it's called Make It Real and it is a 24-day one and it opens up just like that. How cute is that? And I have gone on. I bought it originally online from the Body Shop. It was $69.95, but it's not on the Body Shop anymore. But before I made this, to be sure that I would not be full of disappointment for you guys, as of when I'm posting this, you can purchase it online at Ulta, or they say call ahead. A lot of the Body Shop stores still have them. So if you want to go out to your Body Shop store, you can still get it. But it is 24 days of excitement and fun. Yay, Christmas. I thought about having Christmas music playing in the background, but I was afraid it might annoy some people who are like, I'm sorry, but it's the beginning of November, so no Christmas music. Just have a candle lit. That's what we have for Christmas. All right, let's open this up and see what we have. I used to go to the Body Shop all the time. I don't know why I quit. I think they moved it deeper in my mall and I just don't get in there anymore. And I had never thought about ordering it online. And I watched one of the UK girls unbox this and I thought, yeah, I like that. I like body lotions and all of that. So let's get in here. So when we open it up, it smells good, yay. It's just the perforated types. So I will punch into all of these. I'm gonna try and do it nicely so that maybe I can put them back in and then take them out at Advent time. I'm thinking about vlogging on my Insta with all of the Advent calendars that I have. As I undo them, put them back together and then do it day by day on Insta. Let me know if you have any interest in that. I will give you as much information as I can. There is no paperwork with this. If you have any questions, let me know below and I'll help you the best I can. Okay, now this always makes me think of Jessica. You know, advent calendars are usually jumbled numbers. She thinks they should be in order just to make it that much easier. And now that I'm sitting here searching for number one, I might actually get on board with that. I can't find number one. This is not a good sign. They have done a really good job of blending it in. Did I show you guys this up close? They have done a really good job of blending it in, so it's harder to see some of the numbers, right? All right, I'm not kidding. I'm gonna have to stop this and come back to it. I can't find number one. I found number one. Oh my gosh, and it seems now that you found it, how could you have missed it? See, this is a number one. It's got a number one right on her shirt. Okay, we have success. I'm sure it's gonna get much easier from here out. We have some mango hand cream. I could say, and that is what that looks like, but I think even those of you who don't mind that I say it constantly, 25 deep, might get a little tired of it. So I'll just, it is a 1 ounce container of the mango hand cream. I am not gonna swatch this because 25 in, you guys know it would be unbearable in here. Oh, it smells nice. It smells kind of peachy, kind of mango-y. I'll do that so you can kind of see the texture of it. I love the Body Shop products. I used to do the Body Shop because they're body butters. They used to be the only really good body butters back in the day. Now several people do a good body butter. And they did, what was it, a white musk? I think it was a white musk perfume that I wore in my probably early mid-20s that I just thought it was dead sexy. Number two, we have a Moringa bath bubble. Oh, wow. That's the smell. You know how I said the box smelled good? It's this. This is the scent. It is fantastic. That is what it looks... Uh-oh. That is what it looks like. And it is just a small little bath bubble. That is so cool. I'm going to love all of these little bath products. Oh, 3. Obviously, I'm going to have to edit the heck out of this, guys. So, all right. We have a Body Shop Almond Milk and Honey Shower Cream. Ooh, for sensitive, dry skin. That's a good size. It even has a pop-up lid. That's really nice. Oh, it smells good. It smells very much, if you guys know, L'Occitane does an almond. This smells a lot like the L'Occitane. A lot. All right, number 4. I remember finding number 4. Ooh, what's this? Empowered and Be Brave. They're little hair ties. That's kind of fun. I'm sure my granddaughters will love those. Do you guys treat yourself to advent calendars? This is the first year that I've really gone all in on advent calendars, and I have 3 or 4 to do, but they're different things. They're not all body. This is, ooh, soap. I love soap. This is the Body Shop Shea Soap, and this is, I would say, a full-sized soap. Oh, it smells good. It smells like you would expect shea to smell. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, found number 6 in the upper corner. It looks like a little one. Ooh, it is a strawberry lip butter. That is cool. Oh, it's got a nice seal on it. Let's see. We're at least going to see what it smells like, even if I don't put my hands in it. Oh, it smells like strawberry. I'm not going to go very far out on a limb when I tell you. It smells like strawberry, and it's just got a real balm texture to it. Oh, it smells so good, though. It smells like that fake strawberry that they make these kinds of things out of. Oh, it smells so good. And 7 is a big one up top. All right, it is, oh, how cute is this? It is a loofah, but look how little it is. That is so cute. I love the color of it. Very festive. I like that. I just wondered if it had taken on the scent of these other things. And actually, it does smell a little bit. It's right next door to the mango hand cream. And it does smell a little mango-y. That is so cute. It is very small. I might actually give it to my daughter for like one of my little granddaughters to use, but that is really cute. Or if you like use this kind of thing on your face, this would be perfect. 8 is its mirror on the other side. So that was super easy to find. Right. And 8, ooh, British Rose Instant Glow Body Butter. And like I was just saying, I love their body butters. This is a 50 ml, which is 1.72 ounces. Oh, we are opening it. Oh, it smells good. It does smell like rose. If you don't love rose, it is a very nice rosy scent. It's very mild rose though. I'm putting my hands in this. I could use a little bit of this on the back of my hands at any given time. I love their body butters. Oh yeah, it's definitely got a rose scent. I can't say you can't smell the rose in it because you can, but once you start, it's a very subtle rosy scent. I don't know if you can tell. See how shiny it made the back of my hand, and it will absorb in no time. I love their body butters. All right, number 9, we have the Body Shop. What is this? The Body Shop Coconut Exfoliating Cream Body Scrub, and it's the coconut flavor, which I love their coconut flavor. Let's see what it smells like. This is all sealed so well. They were not having any accidents in theirs. Oh, so coconutty. Kind of banana-y. Is that banana? It says that it's coconut, but I get a little whiff of banana from that. Kind of like candy banana though, not like fresh. That is what that looks like. I cannot wait to use all of these products. All right, and number 10, we have, ironically, absolutely ironically, the Body Shop Banana Truly Nourishing Shampoo. So this one is banana. After I thought the coconut smelled banana. Let's see what the banana smells like. Banana, but clean. Clean banana. You're just gonna have to trust me on that. It smells really good. And I took the lid off, but it also has the snap-up type lid. Number 11, we have the Body Shop Shea Hand Cream. Excellent. You know me, love a hand cream. Let's see what the shea smells like. Same texture as the other. Oh, it's just a very clean scent. I'm showing you the texture, although feel free to smell it if you'd like. Love it. This is a really good box, right? 12, we have the Body Shop Mango Shower Gel. So now we have the Mango Shower Gel and hand cream. So there's some method to their madness. And 13 is, ooh, exfoliating gloves. You guys know I love some shower exfoliation, and happy to have a brand that's not necessarily the daily concept. I like that they're pink. And 14, we have the Body Shop Shower Gel in Strawberry. So now we have the strawberry this and lips. So this, if it smells the same as the lip balm. It does, a little cleaner than the lip balm, but that same back strawberry scent. This is all going to be so fun to use. And the best part is, this is about how much commitment I want to have to a scent slash flavor before I move on. So, all right, 15 is way over here. And it is a pink grapefruit hand cream. I will find a nice home for this. I can't use pink grapefruit products because so often they put actual grapefruit in them. And grapefruit and I do not get along, which is a shame because it smells nice and citrusy and it smells delicious. All right, 16 is over here right near it. I wish I could find a better way to do this, although I guess you guys don't need to see me struggling with getting these doors open. Oh, yay, another bath bubble. Oh, coconut. Yay. Coconut bath bubble. Oh, it smells like summer. It smells like suntan lotion and summer and all of the things that you love. All right. And 17, and I have to tell you, based on the shape of it, I have a pretty darn tootin' good idea what 17 is gonna be. Yep, it is a nail file, but it's a nice Christmassy one that you could carry during Christmas. How fun is that? I love the advent calendars that have some festive stuff in it. The other side is also, this one says, The Body Shop, I like the way you smooth. I like the way you smooth. The Body Shop, give me a hand, is what that side said. All right. 18 is a pink grapefruit bath bubble. I will gift this to whomever gets the nice pink grapefruit hand cream. And 19 is the Body Shop Banana Truly Nourishing Conditioner. So now we have the shampoo and conditioner. Oh, that smells so good. Yeah, like I was saying, it's like banana, but like if you made a banana shampoo and you wanted it to smell kind of like shampoo or conditioner. Yeah, nailed it. 20, this is another little one we have over here. Okay, I had to tilt it up to get it out. It is, oh, yay. It is the Body Butter Lip Butter in a coconut. I love coconut. I was trying to think of a coconut song. Can't think of a coconut song. Can't think of a coconut. There's got to be a coconut song. Yes, I am totally sitting here taking this little sticker off so we can open this, trying to think of a coconut song. Let me know below, what is a coconut song? And this just looks like a lip balm. And it smells like coconut. It smells like coconut with a little bit of maybe cocoa butter in it. You know, that sweet cocoa butter smell. Yeah, summer. It smells fantastic. Next we have 21. And it is, oh, it's little bobby pins, and one says Fearless, and one says Unstoppable. Those are cute. I will pass those along to my girls too. Those are so cute, but I don't think I'm gonna be. And 22, we have the Body Shop Coconut Shower Cream. So coconut shower cream. So this is a lot of soaps and bubble bars and hand lotions and body lotions. That's what I love. Oh, it smells so good. Yes, you can win me over with anything, almost anything that you sent coconut. I always have to throw that almost in there, you know what I mean? All right, so 23. I think probably one of the reasons I quit doing the Body Shop is because Bath and Body Works came out and they were everywhere. Although, you know, they're really not comparable, I don't think. I think that they serve very two different, well, I think of one of them personally, I think of as a candle shop. That's what I buy at Bath and Body Works. This is the Mango Body Butter Lip Butter. And that is what that looks like. We know what the mango smells like. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one sealed so as not to keep you here all day. And I was just looking this over and I don't think there is a 25. The 25 that I saw is this tiny little 25 right here and there's no square there. So I would say there are only 24 things. See, some of them I put back together so well you wouldn't even know I was in there. So let's get into 24 and that'll be our last goodie. We have a Body Shop Almond, Milk, and Honey Body Butter. Yay. You might have guessed, I'm a slight fan of their body butter. Like I said, I don't know why I went away from them. I love them. Plus, you've just got like a week or two's commitment of, depending on how much body lotion you use, obviously, of a scent and you get to move on. Oh, it smells so nice. It smells almondy, but clean. And it is so thick, you couldn't get that out of there on a bet. I love the thickness of this cream. All right, that is the Body Shop's Advent Calendar for 2020. This is the one, Make It Real Together. And like I said, you can't get it online, or at least when I checked, you could not get it online at the Body Shop. But they said you could check in your stores, that a lot of the stores still had them, and you can get it at Ulta. So now that it's all opened up, that's what it looks like on the inside. See, I did a good job, right? I didn't destroy it or anything. I have all of the products down here, and we have several hand creams and little bath bubbles and shower gels. We have a couple of cute little hair products, our little nail file, a full-size soap, some exfoliating gloves, like 3 of the little lippies. Did I mention the body butters? I think this was a really nice box, and I can tell you, nope, I can't. I was gonna say, I can tell you, I will use each and every one of these things if I want, but I won't because I can't use the pink grapefruit hand cream, and I'm gonna go ahead and pass the cute little barrettes along. All right, here we go. Kind of Merry Christmas. Let me know below, is this something that you guys would pick up? Do you treat yourself to Advents? Would you do a body shop / body one? I'm kind of glad to have some body products. We get so much makeup and skincare that I am very, very excited to have some body products. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. More Advents. Bye, guys.